In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Rust with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The simplest way to play Rust with your friends is to open it up, click play game, and over here, browse through the official or community servers. Of course, you can also explore modded servers. Now, the best and simplest way, like I said, is to join the same server with your friends. So you will be able to browse through all of these servers, select one that you wish to join, and share the name with your friends. So for example, rustopia.gg. All you and your friends have to do is find this server that you want to play on and all join the same one. The reason why I recommend you join a server that is hosted by someone else or one of the official servers is because hosting your own server on Rust is a complicated process that I'm not going to go over in this video, and Rust is meant to be played with other random people. You still have the option to buy a server Rust for example, you can buy one from Shockbyte if you want to have a private server that only you and your friends play on. But like I said, to actually get the full Rust experience, it is far superior to join one server with various people. So all you and your friends have to do is look for the same server by using the title, add it to your favorites, and start playing. As long as you all join the same server, you will be able to locate each other on the map and play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Rust with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.